Welcome to this ultimate briefing on bridging innovation and oversight. Organizations face a fundamental tension, the need to innovate rapidly while meeting increasingly stringent regulatory requirements. This is the innovation oversight gap. Our methodology transforms AI governance from a compliance burden into a strategic competitive advantage. We focus on 4 pillars: architectural gap analysis, Chitel frameworks, risk mitigation, and practical scaling. The consequences of this gap are severe. Regulatory penalties average over $2 million per violation, and reputational damage can cost 5 times the direct financial impact. Innovation without oversight is a dangerous gamble. Traditional bolt-on compliance approaches fail because they are retrofitted after design, creating architectural debt. Manual processes simply cannot scale with the velocity of AI deployment. Our philosophy is simple: governance must be baked in, not bolted on. It must be architected into the technical and organizational infrastructure from day one to ensure compliance by default. We utilize an infrastructure-first approach, human-centered design, and proactive risk management to build scalable solutions that prevent governance from ever becoming a bottleneck. Organizations implementing this framework achieve a 40% reduction in time to market and a 90% reduction in compliance-related delays. Governance, when done right, is an accelerator. Implementation follows an 18-month roadmap, from architectural gap analysis to scaling and continuous improvement. Measurable ROI is typically achieved within the first 90 days. Pillar 1 is architectural gap analysis. Before you can govern effectively, you must understand your deployment landscape, technical infrastructure, and current governance capabilities. We assess whether you have the foundation for scalable deployment, automated testing in CI/CD pipelines, built-in monitoring for bias and drift, and comprehensive audit logging. The process involves a current state assessment, maturity evaluation against industry frameworks, and a detailed mapping of critical gaps. We deliver a prioritized roadmap within 4 weeks. Pillar 2 is the implementation of human-in-the-loop frameworks. This ensures that critical AI decisions maintain appropriate human oversight, transparency, and accountability. Intervention is mandatory for high-stakes decisions affecting individual rights, financial thresholds, or medical determinations. Every critical AI output must have an accountable human decision-maker. Implementation involves defining decision points, designing efficient review workflows that minimize cognitive burden, and building the necessary explainability interfaces and escalation paths. In our healthcare case study, a 3-tier review system achieved FDA approval in just 8 months, nearly half the industry average, with a 23% improvement in diagnostic accuracy. Pillar 3 is proactive risk mitigation and ethical safeguarding. We implement technical controls and testing protocols that prevent issues before they impact production systems. We align your architecture with the EU AI Act, SEC guidance, and GDPR requirements, ensuring mandatory risk assessments and transparency are built directly into the system. Our framework is built on core ethical principles: beneficence, autonomy, justice, and explicability. We ensure every model behavior analysis is filtered through these international standards. Pillar 4 is practical scaling. Manual reviews cannot scale with AI velocity. We implement governance as code, automating compliance checks within your CI/CD pipelines. To succeed, governance must be visible and actionable. We deploy dashboards tracking compliance violation rates, model degradation, and human oversight effectiveness in real time. Our consultation process is highly collaborative, spanning discovery, analysis, and recommendations. We provide a complete AI system inventory and a customized roadmap for implementation. In summary, understand your gaps, implement human oversight, mitigate risks proactively, and scale through automation. This is how you bridge the innovation oversight gap. You are no longer stuck in a cycle of compliance hurdles. You are stuck in a decision. Shift to a state of design. Comment Tiger for a demo link to the software that automates this entire framework. Visit theintegritygroup.com right now for your free AI audit. Build AI systems you can trust and that your customers trust too. I'm Ash Masoha. Let's get to work.